In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the iPhone 16e camera control button. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The iPhone 16e includes what is known as the camera control button. This button, labeled the action button, is located at the side of your iPhone 16e, and it gives you access to various different functions, including a lot of functions related to your camera. So first, to customize this button and ensure that it does work in conjunction with your camera, you can go over to the settings on your phone and you will find the action button category. This is how you customize this action button, and you make sure that it can open the camera by pressing it. So if you want to open the camera by pressing this button, make sure that it is selected here. This isn't strictly needed. You can still use it when you open the camera by yourself, but it is an option that is convenient to a lot of people. Once this is set up, you can also go into the camera settings. So instead of going over to action button, choose the camera options. And inside of camera, under camera control, you can change the behavior. So you can make the camera app launch by doing a single click or a double click. Once all of this is set up, you are basically good to go. Now, there are a lot of things that you can do. Once you open the camera app, you can do light press to open up controls like zoom. So a light press will open things like zooming in or out. This button will also lock the focus and exposure for reframing shots without losing the actual focus. A double light press will bring up the camera preview menu to choose different controls like exposure or depth of field. Swap through the available adjustment options and also change parameters like zoom, exposure, or depth of field when a control is selected. So if you choose a particular control, you can lightly swipe your finger to the left or to the right to change this slider. So you don't even have to use the touch screen. You can use your finger as if it was a physical mechanical button available there. And as long as you open the camera and you either swipe, do light presses, and so on, you can use all of these camera control features. You can customize them individually by going over to the settings and the action button options. I hope I was able to help you on how to use iPhone 16e camera control button. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.